Hey, welcome to Episode 8, Ultimate Frisbee version 2. The footage you are about to see was filmed in 2019. I hope you enjoy. Hey, lit! Welcome back. Part 2. Can you 3D print an Ultimate Frisbee that weighs 175 grams? Last video, this was V1. And it looks this bad because we did some destructive testing on it to see how durable it was, and this is the result. I actually measured like the inside of this instead of the outsides, so that's why this first Frisbee was so small at 10 inches, fit perfectly on the inside. I retook some more measurements and updated the drawing. This edge was pretty sharp, so I added a fillet to it. So, here's V2. Here's a regular Ultimate Frisbee, 175 grams. V2 printed in 13 hours and 52 minutes. Gotta love that magnetic bed. Oh. Looks like some of it came off, but here we go. Version 2 brick A-lid. Alright, so this was printed at 0.2 millimeter layer height and 2% infill with the gyroidal pattern. And it's 2% infill because this weighs 176 grams according to Kira. So I bought a little food scale to see how accurate Kira is. So pop this on. And alright, according to the scale, it is 164 grams. So that's about 10 grams less than what an Ultimate Frisbee is, but they are just about the same size. The version 2 actually might be a little bit bigger. Yeah. So the first version is too small, now the second version is too big, so V3 should meet in the middle. So this did not print well the first time. Here is the first fail. I came back and it was just dragging all over the place. Here is the second fail. Both about the same. Took like maybe an hour for me to notice. But yeah, so the issue was the bed wasn't fully like level in one corner. So when it went around, it just kind of was putting plastic into the air and then it just dragged it up. So yeah, let's go see how this version flies. Hey, welcome back. We are back on Ellis Field. So here's the Ultimate Frisbee. Here is version 2 Frisbee. So as stated earlier, this is 164 grams. This is 175 grams. So let's just see how this flies.
Beautiful throw.
It is a little windy out here too, so like they have something to do with it. Now let's see how this flies.
Come on, V2. Ooh, first.
I mean, not too bad.
Why are you throwing an angle? Straighten out.
You see, it keeps curving.
I touched you earlier, I apologize. That was great.
All right, after some light catch, it's already falling apart. Now remember, this is 2% infill, but because it's so big, it had to be less to be 175. At least that's what Kira said it was going to be. So yeah, 2% infill obviously is not going to hold up that well. So now it's time for the best part, the destructive testing. How will this 2% infill Frisbee line up against this stone concrete wall? Kaden, go ahead.
Oh, I get the honors. Oh yeah. As some of you may not know, I'm not the genius part of this operation. Is this? But I can break things. Let's do it. Again with the fence. I got it.
Wait, look, there's a hole.
Oof. Version 2, bro.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh my.
No. Ooh, does it fly? Let's find out.
Does it fly? What? That's crazy. But wow. This thing exploded.
Izzy, coming back at you.
2%. One. Let her rip.
The handle too long.
All right. This is what's left after our destructive testing against this good old wall back here. So after throwing it a few times, it just burst open. But again, 2% infill. Can't really say I'm surprised. So yeah, all in all, I think this was a successful print, but now it's destroyed. So tune in for the next episode. Stay lit. All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that footage. Kaden and I did pick up as many broken pieces of that Frisbee as we could. We do try to clean up after ourselves, always. The files are on the website for free, so go make something, and as always, you stay lit, America.